Where's the little bird, Haley? Where's the little bird? Where's the hummingbird? These are two teenagers. The one that's sitting there now is a male. This little guy is so cute, very curious. He's a teenager. I can't really take a good video of him, unfortunately, because it's through the glass. But he's looking at me. He's checking me out. It's a bit hard to see, but males have a red stripe on their throat, and since he's a juvenile, it's a little bit orangey just yet. Unfortunately, it's almost the end of the season, so they might stick around for another 2 or 3 weeks, maybe mid-September, depending on the weather. But I just love watching them until they're still here, and it's amazing to see how many little juveniles there are. So it's been a good season, even though they're mostly female, at least at my feeder. But it's just such a joy. I love these little guys. I'll miss them. This little male is so cheeky. And there's that.